In today's repair, we have a whirlpool that when you turn it on, it just goes, and that means that the pump is continuously activated. The part that breaks is this right here. This is the computer board, the circuit board that goes behind this thing here. This is the part that breaks. It's about 20 bucks. You just solder that new one in and you're ready to go. If you have this problem and you don't want to do it yourself, you can hire me. I work in the Roanoke Valley area in Virginia. I will post my phone number on the screen, and you can call, text, or message me here on this app, however you want. For a repair like this, I might charge you like $150. Most other techs in town are going to charge you $100 just to come out to your house. So I'm very affordable. If you watch the rest of this, not this video, but the next video I'll put up, you'll see how to actually do this yourself if you want to do it yourself.